I'm really excited because the package from Marobo Technology with all the parts for the BEAPER Nano robot has finally arrived. Let's see what's in this box. Everything comes well protected. In this bag, we can see all the printed parts, including the chassis, the motor holders, and from what I can see, some of the parts that hold the servo motors. Look how nice the chassis looks in navy blue. These are the bases for the infrared sensors. This is a motor holder. There are several types of holders for servo motors. This is the tool used to put the motor holders in place. This is the printed board manufactured by PCB Way. That has the main board and two small infrared sensor boards. These are the cables to connect the sensor board to the main board. This is the caster ball and the N20 motors with their metal reduction gears. This is the battery holder for 4 AA batteries. Over here we have the ultrasonic sensor. This is a small screen. It has some plastic screws and a base. Here we have the cables and the wheels for the motors. There are more components and another board to build more infrared sensors. They are two identical boards. We have all the parts to assemble, which are quite a few, so we will see them in detail later. Here we have the Arduino Nano ESP32. It comes with its small manual and some stickers. The Arduino Nano comes in an anti-static foam to protect it. I will continue describing each part in more detail soon. Thanks for watching this video.